Your data is everywhere. Databases, cloud tools, trade files, APIs. Every day, your team wastes hours manually moving it, cleaning it, and chasing it down. There's a better way. Whether your data stored in a database, spreadsheet, cloud bucket, project tool, CRM, or financial feed, OmnibusX connects to all of it. One platform, no code, no exceptions. One visual canvas, every source connected in minutes. Everything lands in the OmnibusX DataHub, a governed, centralized repository with automatic schema detection and full data lineage tracked from day one. But raw data is never clean, so OmnibusX runs it through a configurable AI-based rule engine, deduplication, validation, standardization, before anything reaches a downstream system. Every rule applied, every exception logged, full audit trail, ready for compliance on demand. Cleaned data goes exactly where it needs to. Your data warehouse, analytics platform, operational systems, REST APIs, scheduled file drops, and instant alerts, on a schedule or the moment a record changes. One data hub, any destination, always in sync. OmnibusX's built-in AI turns any database query into a plain English conversation. For everyone, no SQL required. AI-powered instant answers, no SQL, no data team ticket, and every query is governed, access controlled, logged, and fully auditable. Raw data from anywhere, transformed, governed, delivered, and unlocked by AI. So every decision in your organization is faster, smarter, and built on truth. One platform, zero code. Book your demo today.